Fresh air is nature's gift of life. But with rapid industrialization and urbanization, we have deprived ourselves of the basic ability to breathe fresh air. Toxic air is now a global problem. Breathing in toxic air could cause side effects such as fogginess, increased stress, and even depression. While various masks on the market try blocking dirty air, they also restrict the flow of clean air, making it harder to breathe, ultimately making matters worse. It was here that we asked ourselves, is it possible to not only block toxic air, but also produce excess clean air in the process? This was how ATMOBLUE was born. ATMOBLUE is an innovative portable air purifier which protects users from air particulates while providing an enhanced breathing experience. ATMOBLUE features built-in high-speed fans and continuously supplies fresh, filtered air to users. With over 150 hours of use per filter, ATMOBLUE delivers 99.9% clean air around the clock. Replacing filters is easy. Simply swap out old filters using ATMOBLUE's magnetic filter caps. In addition to advanced filtration, ATMOBLUE features a patented strap channel design, providing a full range of motion, and comes with interchangeable designer skins to suit your style. We created ATMOBLUE so that you can breathe freely, because breath is the gift of life. Today, we are asking you to join us in our mission to offer clean air for all. Over the past year, we prototyped and tested ATMOBLUE. We received amazing feedback and even won a few awards. With your contribution, we can bring ATMOBLUE to life. As a special offer, all backers who pre-order their ATMOBLUE will receive discounted pricing on all accessories, including filter cartridges and skins. To make things even more exciting, all ATMOBLUE masks come standard with built-in smart features. Once we break our stretch goal, the ATMOBLUE app will be released, allowing for more enhanced mask features, such as automatic airflow adjustment, filter change notifications, local air quality index, and more. We're so excited to bring ATMOBLUE to you and look forward to your support. ATMOBLUE, clean air for all.